What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. We use pronouns to avoid repeating the same nouns again and again. This helps make our sentences smoother and easier to read or speak. Example: without pronoun. Ria is a student. Ria loves reading. Ria goes to the library every day. With pronoun. Ria is a student. She loves reading. She goes to the library every day. In the second version, we used she instead of repeating Ria again and again. This makes the sentence better and less repetitive. Why are pronouns important? Pronouns help in avoiding repetition, making sentences clearer and more engaging, showing relationships between people, places, or things, referring to people or things without always naming them. Types of pronouns. There are many different types of pronouns. Each type has a special role in a sentence. Let's explore them one by one. 1. Personal pronouns. These pronouns refer to specific people or things. They change depending on number, singular, one, or plural, many. Person, first person, second person, or third person. Gender, male, female, or neutral. Case, subject or object. Subjective case, used as the subject, I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Objective case, used as the object, me, you, him, her, it, us, them. Examples: I am a teacher. Subject. She helped me with my homework. Object. 2. Possessive pronouns. These show ownership or possession. Examples: mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, theirs. Sentences: that book is mine. This pencil is hers. Note: possessive adjectives like my, your, his are not possessive pronouns. 3. Reflexive pronouns. These pronouns refer back to the subject of the sentence. Examples: myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. Sentences: he hurt himself. We enjoyed ourselves at the party. 4. Emphatic pronouns. These pronouns are the same as reflexive pronouns but are used to emphasize a noun or pronoun. Examples: I myself did the homework. The queen herself greeted the visitors. 5. Demonstrative pronouns. These pronouns are used to point to specific things. Examples: this, that, these, those. Sentences: this is my car. Those are her shoes. This and these are used for things near us. That and those are used for things far away. 6. Interrogative pronouns. These pronouns are used to ask questions. Examples: who, whom, whose, which, what. Sentences: who is at the door? Whose bag is this? What is your name? 7. Relative pronouns. These connect a clause or phrase to a noun or pronoun. They often introduce relative clauses. Examples: who, whom, whose, which, that. Sentences: the boy who won the race is my friend. This is the book that I like most. 8. Indefinite pronouns. These refer to non-specific people or things. Examples: someone, somebody, something, anyone, anybody, anything, everything, everyone, no one, nothing, nothing, each, either, neither, few, many, all, some, none, one, none. Sentences: someone is knocking at the door. Nothing is impossible. 9. Reciprocal pronouns. These show mutual action or relationship. Examples: each other, one another. Sentences: they love each other. The players congratulated one another. 10. Distributive pronouns. These refer to members of a group separately. Examples: each, either, neither. Sentences: each of the students has a pen. Neither of the answers is correct. Pronouns versus nouns. Feature, noun, pronoun. Refers to a specific person, place, thing. Takes the place of a noun. Example: Rahul, cat, school. He, it, they. Use, names people or things. Replaces a noun. Sentence example: Rahul is kind. He is kind. Common mistakes with pronouns. Wrong agreement in number. X. Each of the boys have done their homework. C. Each of the boys has his homework. Confusion between subject and object. X, me went to the market. C, I went to the market. Using reflexive pronouns wrongly. X, myself did it. C, I did it myself. Double subjects. X, me and John are friends. C, John and I are friends. Some advanced notes. 1. Pronoun antecedent agreement. The antecedent is the noun that the pronoun refers to. The pronoun must match the antecedent in number, gender, and antecedent. Ria is the antecedent of the sentence. She agrees with Ria. Pronouns in real life. Pronouns are used everywhere, in talking, writing, texting, and even in literature. Here are some real examples. Conversation example. A. Have you seen Rahul? B. Yes, I met him yesterday. He was going to the market with his brother. Here, him and he are pronouns replacing Rahul. Exercises and practice. A. Fill in the blanks with correct pronouns. I saw Rita yesterday. She was looking happy. This is my pen. That one is. The boys enjoyed. At the party. Who is knocking at the door? Ramesh and Suresh are friends. They like. Answers. She, yours, themselves, who, each other. B. Choose the correct option. Each of the girls has her own book. A. Her. Whom do you want to meet? B. Whom. I made this cake. Myself. C. Myself. Answers. A. Her. B. Whom. C. Myself. Fun pronoun game. Classroom idea. You can try this in a class or group. Make 2 teams. One student says a sentence using a noun. The other team must replace the noun with the correct pronoun. Example. Sentence, Rohit likes mangoes. Response, he likes mangoes. Tips to master pronouns. Always match the pronoun with its noun, antecedent. Know the difference between subject and object pronouns. Use reflexive pronouns only when the subject and object are the same. Learn the different types and practice with examples. Final summary. Type of pronoun, example words, function. Personal, I, he, she, they. Replace specific people, things. Possessive, mine, yours, theirs. Show ownership. Reflexive, myself, herself, reflect back to the subject. Emphatic, himself, ourselves, add emphasis. Demonstrative, this, those, point to something. Interrogative, who, what, which, ask questions. Relative, who, which, that, join clauses. Indefinite, someone, nobody, refer to unspecified things, people. Reciprocal, each other, one another, show mutual relationship. Distributive, each, either, neither, refer to group members separately.